Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Maybe not as cool as I originally thought it was going to be. This is part two of this, making this right here. When I was waiting for the other video to load, I realized that this had a flat side. I made it 5 inches, got my nudge factor set on 5. Now you could do it that way, and let's just do it real quick just to see what it would look like. And that looks pretty cool. Or you could do it. Let me erase these. You could Control D and make a duplicate and move it over and then mirror it and have like the two dark sides there. You know what? Wonder if we could rotate it 100. It's already at 180. I'm just guessing. See, that would alternate, yes. And then once you have that, just Control D and hit your arrow twice, and it will continue that pattern. But you could do it like I did before, but this is, I think, going to be pretty cool, I think. Control G to Control D, and then take that one part and have it snap to right there. So it's basically going to be the same pattern as I had before. The only other neater thing would be to, let's do Control G, Control D, would be to have it alternate the green. And now I didn't hit it the first time, so Control D is not going to work again. And you could continue that pattern forever. But what I was going to say, it might be even neater if we made a second one and had, you know, we could make a second one real quick. I don't know what I was thinking of. Let's ungroup it just to see. I mean, that's already pretty cool. Every time you group something together, you got to ungroup it or ungroup all. I don't like ungrouping all because if there was something in this thing broken up. So what we're going to do is we're going to make just the opposite one. And I'm going to move that over there. And I'm actually going to have to ungroup this just to see what this looks like. And I'm going to make, get my smart fill tool now. Well, you know what I can do to make it easier is to take the red so I won't mess up. Take the red and make these red. And remember in the first video, we took the shift key and selected that, holding down the shift, select that, and then hold down the control button and add a little bit of black to it. See, it's doing them all at the same time. And if you didn't do them all at the same time, you'd have to count how many clicks you did. Now we can put this in the green and do the same thing with hit. Take that green, hold down the control button, and add a little black. I hit the no fill. Hit the control button, make it a little darker. Now we got two different ones. See if that makes a difference. Control G to group and nudge it over. Whoop. That might look pretty cool. Now that they're opposite, Control D and just nudge it over twice. That's going to look pretty cool. 4 of them. Control D, nudge it over 4 times. If you go too far, just back up. Control D, or Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and move one of them. See it, and we're starting on a staggered. In a lot of my videos, I could keep going, but Control G, Control D. If you go straight down now, you won't be going. And once again, I missed it, which isn't a bad thing. It's just you can't Control D again. Control D again would multiply it. You know what? I made a Control D there. So let's go Control G, Control D. And this is something you could do with math. And all these colors are starting to slow down my computer. And see, I'm still off. If I would have hit it, if you hit it the first time, you can control the, man, it's so confusing. I don't even know where. Well, there it is right there. How I missed it. I think this pattern is a winner because it's, whoo, it's almost plays with your mind. And let's see what it looks like with a black background. So apologize, this video is a little bit longer than I was going to think it was going to be a little short video. But I think it's well worth the wait. And I've got lines on some of them. I'm going to select them all and go right click an outline and put lines, even on the red ones. And that's going to add to it. It's almost like a stairwell to nowhere. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.